Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha and welcome back to my channel. Now y'all know I love fashion, you know I love makeup, but you know what else I love? Handbags. So I want to share with you guys a new handbag by a new company that is luxurious, that I'm sure you've all heard of by the title, so let's jump in. Friends, so before I jump into unboxing this new Teddy Blake handbag and wallet, I do want to share with you guys some nails that were sent my way. Y'all know I love me some press-on nails. So these were sent by a company called BTArtbox, and they came in a cute box like so. Loving the pink and black. So I'm coming a little bit closer to you guys because you guys know I like to share the detail with you. So they sent me over 3 pairs of nails. And in my opinion, these are pretty affordable. I believe that they're reusable. If not, I will retract that statement in just a moment. But they have a lot of really pretty designs and things like that on their website. One being this cat eye that I peeped. Girl, it is so gorgeous. Cat eye is so trending right now. And these are called the BTArtboxnails. Oh, they are reusable press-ons. Give you guys a little bit of information. They have the 6 easy steps on how to apply these on the back. And just before I get to talking about popping these bad boys off, first of all, do not rip your press-on nails off, girl. You will damage your nails. I learned that many moons ago. And I will link down below for you guys the way that I like to remove my press-on nails, because I'm telling you guys, a couple of minutes of soaking and they come right off. And I got so excited talking about it, I forgot what I was going to say. But the stuff is called static non-toxic remover, or static non-toxic gel or nail remover. Now, it's a little pricey, but I'm telling you, if you check this video out here, you will see it works. It works. And my nails have thanked me ever since. It is super moisturizing. It's non-toxic. It doesn't smell, and it lasts such a long time. So stop ripping off your press-on nails. You got beautiful nails. Stop destroying them. All right. So this tells you exactly how to do it. It gives some expert tips, pro tips. Again, all of these will be linked down below so that you guys can easily find them. I also have a discount code for you as well. But really quickly, I wanted to show you. This is how your kit's gonna come, and I apologize if you can't see that cat eye any better than that, but it's really hard to get that to show up on camera with the studio lights and stuff. So I will link a picture here so that you guys can see it. You are gonna get glue with these, as well as the little adhesive tabs. I always recommend, if you want your nails to stay on, use the glue. And if you guys are looking for a tutorial on how I like to apply my press-on nails, it's linked up there with that same video that I just linked for you guys. So the next one that I got are these really pretty, like grayish, kind of blackish, kind of glittery nails. They are gorge. They're like an almond shape. Again, you get, I think, 24 nails in here. And here's what they look like. Really hard to see, guys. I know that's more of a real representation, and they're just so pretty, and they sparkle, and girl, so pretty. And the last one I got, I think these are medium length coffin, maybe short coffin, but they're white, and that's pretty much a signature nail for me. I love the look of that with my tan skin. It's just, the nails pop. And so I've actually opened up the box and felt these. They feel like really good quality, so I'm just so excited to rock them for you guys. And so I want to shout out and thank you to BTArtnail for sending me your beautiful box nails. Y'all, let's get into the Teddy Blake bag. All right, y'all. I need just a moment. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I did not just get done filming a try-on haul. It is hot up in here, y'all. So, Teddy Blake reached out to me. I don't know, like a week to 2 weeks ago. I swear they reached out. I looked over at their website and I was like, yeah, I'd love to try one. And I swear the bag showed up like a week later or a couple days later. I don't know. It was super fast. So I picked out a bag and a wallet from them because I like to have matching sets. And so I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys. Again, thank you to Teddy Blake for the beautiful gifts. So let's go ahead and open them up. And on the inside, it says right here, Teddy Blake, New York. And it says designer handbags made in Italy, and they are luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I love that. And then this one right here says discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. So these are designer handbags, guys. And this came directly from Teddy Blake. So just to show you guys, it does come with the paper over it like this. And then everything is wrapped, double wrapped in plastic and the poppy stuff, that stuff that pops, bubble wrap. Yeah, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. So I'm gonna go over the wallet first. If you wanna stay tuned for the bag, fine. If not, you can skip ahead. There's timestamps. But it all comes like this. So I did open these just to double check everything was Gucci so that I could email my contact back. I love their presentation, by the way. It is super nice. So you do get a dust bag for your wallet. There you go. And it does say Teddy Blake on it. If you guys are wondering prices and everything, it will be linked down below. And I'll check with the contact to see if I get a discount code for you guys, because I honestly don't remember. Alright, so it comes with the tag that says Teddy Blake. And then this here is, I don't know what that says because it's an Italian, I think. So here's the wallet that I chose. I just like the kind of larger wallet sometimes, you know, so that you don't have to fold your cash. And then it's pretty gold here. So let me, up close, it does say Teddy Blake, New York. And then really pretty gold. This is kind of like a pewter gray, right up my alley. Super nice zippers. Of course, I mean, it's a luxury brand. What else did I expect? But when you open it up, you have all this space in here for your cards here, here, some coinage here. If you wanted to put some coins in there, a lipstick, your nail glue. I always put my nail glue in my wallets, girls. And then on the inside, it does say made in Italy. Right here. This is such a gorgeous color. I just love it. This is pretty simple, and that's what I wanted. I wanted simple. You can also stick your bills in this area right here if you want to, and then you've got another long part here as well. So plenty of room for debit, credit, cards, all those store cards we have to carry around, and it's very good quality, guys. Feels nice. It's real leather. I mean, this is gorgeous to me. All right. So now we're going to jump into the bag that I chose. Now these do come with dust bags again, which I appreciate because I like to store my bags in the dust bags and in a toter. I don't want dust or anything on my bags. Oh, it scares me. So this is the bag that I chose. It's this cute little, it's kind of like a bucket bag. Now the wallet that I ordered is a little bit darker. I'm going to show that to you. So this is a little bit darker, and I'm going to bring it up to you guys so you can actually see. But I don't mind at all. You can totally tell that they were meant to go together, in my opinion. So I don't mind that at all. This bag is so gorgeous. So on the hardware all around it, it says Teddy Blake, and I will bring it to you guys to see. And then it's got this nice heavy duty gold hardware here. If you wanted to, you could switch straps because they just clip on here. I love the detail on the strap. It is so pretty. It's got this really pretty gold material here. And if you wanted to adjust the sizes, guys, there's plenty of holes here to adjust. I'm a plus size girl. I'm going to wear it crossbody, so I will show that to you as well. And then as far as the closing mechanism, you're just going to untie it and then open your bag. Alright guys, so I've unstuffed the bag. I'm going to bring it closer to you so that you can see. This bag does come with a pouch. And it also says Teddy Blake right here. And then it also, and I like it because it hooks to the bag. And then you've also got Teddy Blake right here down on the bag. So the inside is really nice and roomy for what this is. Like looking at it on the outside, it looks so small to me. But on the inside, you've got all this room. And so you've also got, oh, sorry guys. This is a new brand for me, just so you know. And so on the inside, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show this to you, but it's got this little tag that says Teddy Blake, and I think a serial number. Or maybe just Teddy Blake. Let me try to point it out to you guys. Right here is, I guess this is like their way to show that it's authentic. I'm not sure. If you know the brand Teddy Blake, comment down below and let me know. But it's pretty much all open space in here, which I don't mind. Usually I don't like that too much, but I really, really like this bag. Great heavy duty quality, guys. You've got plenty of room here in your little pouch for tons of stuff. You could stash some extra lip gloss in there, your nail glue. You don't want to leave home without your nail glue, honey. You could put some hair ties in here, some makeup, whatever you want to do. And you can also detach this. It's attached right here, just kind of like the adjustments for the bag. So it's got that little gold thing here, and you just pop it right back on there. Super easy. So I do want to show you guys what this bag looks like on me. I'm not going to tie it back up or anything. All right, guys, so here's what the bag looks like on my shoulder. Super easy to carry. Super simple to style as well, and that's kind of why I went with the gray color. I've been getting a lot of like black, brown, things like that. So real quick, guys, I'm going to adjust this and show you guys what it looks like crossbody on me. So really quickly, I did want to show this to you guys. It's very easy to pop, sorry guys, the strap onto these little gold pieces. You literally just pop it back on there. But like I said, I want to adjust this so that I can wear it crossbody, so just a moment. All right, guys, so if I needed to, I went ahead and put this on the very last one just to see. So there's what it would look like crossbody on myself. So I would probably feel more secure wearing this on my actual shoulder, just because I had to put it on the very last one. I'm a big girl, so if I wanted it to be more secure, I would probably just wear it on my shoulder. But you can also order bigger straps from the website itself. I'm going to come closer. I do want to show you guys more detail on the bag. I want to show you what you're spending your hard-earned money on. So here she is right here. This is the bottom. It smells amazing if you like the smell of leather, which I do. Here's how you close her. Just ever so slightly, or you could tie it in 2 knots, which whatever you like. Okay, and then here is more detail on the shoulder strap. See, like I had to put it on the very last one, and I don't particularly feel secure with it right there, so I am going to put it, oops, this is why it didn't feel secure. So there's a little loop thing right here that you can put it in so that it's not coming off and flying all around. But there are plenty of other holes here so that you can put it at whatever length you want. And then here is the hardware. And on the hardware on the back and in the front, right here all around each of these, it does say Teddy Blake. Really gorgeous bag, you guys. I am just in awe right now. Wow. So there is that. Here's the little pouch that came with it. Like I said, you can attach or detach this. It is completely up to you. And it is held onto the bag. How did I do that? Oh, my bad. So this little guy right here, kind of similar to other bags that I've shown you guys, where you have this little piece of leather here that just attaches onto something. So this little guy has one of the gold pieces in the back here, and you just stick that on there and it attaches right to the bag. So you could either carry it out like that, you can pop it right back in your purse, and the wallet fits as well. Still with plenty of room. Now remember guys, I did tie this shut so it's not opening all the way, but you still have more room to spare in there. Cell phone, keys, makeup. Y'all know how us women are. We ain't going nowhere without our makeup. Cell phone. And then you've got all this room left after your phone and your wallet and the little coin purse thingy that comes with it. So I'm just really thankful for this bag, and I do want to shout out again and say thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I will never forget this. This is so awesome. And if you guys are curious about any of the Teddy Blake stuff that I showed in today's video, definitely check the link below. And again, if I do have a discount card, or excuse me, discount code for you guys, I will leave it down there. But I'm very impressed with this, especially for the prices and things like that. Bags like this are gonna last you a lifetime. So, wow. Thank you again, Teddy Blake. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I stuttered a lot. I'm just in awe right now still. And so yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Tosh. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you're notified anytime I do videos like this. Makeup, plus size try on hauls. I promise I have a makeup video coming, you guys. I've just been so busy lately. But if you're new here, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I hope that my ride or dies. Hey girl, hey, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Love you. Bye.